In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate total hours in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So once you've opened up your spreadsheet, you are going to highlight the table, then go to the top and choose the Format tab, then choose Number, and select Time. So now the time area has been correctly formatted. So now we need to format the hours worked area. So what you do is you're going to highlight that area, then go to Format, then go to Number, and choose Duration because we are going to calculate the total hours worked. Once you're done, select the cell under Hours Worked and enter in the equals to symbol. Then it's going to give you a suggestion. So from D2 minus C2, simply just select it and it's going to say 8 hours. And if you want to copy everything without having to do it manually, simply just go to the cell again, go to the corner, and you're going to see that the cursor is going to change to a plus. Simply highlight or drag all the way to the bottom, and it's going to do it for you. And it's that simple. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.